508 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 4th September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 4th September 2020, 508 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 19,863. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,896. Total recovered cases stands at 14,747. Total 220 deaths are reported till 4th September 2020. 54 years female from Davullim brought dead on 3rd September to South Goa District Hospital, Margao was found to be positive post-mortem. 60 years female from Davullim brought dead on 4th September to South Goa District Hospital, Margao was found to be positive post-mortem. 78 years male from Ribandar with comorbid conditions expired on 3rd September 2020. 73 years female from Benaulim and 76 years female from Aldona admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 3rd September 2020. 75 years male from Vasco admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital expired on 4th September 2020. 65 years female from Betki and 48 years unknown male admitted at ESA Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 3rd September 2020. Out of 2,523 samples tested, 1,631 are negative, 508 are positive, 384 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 160. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 28 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 4th September 2020. Breakup of total 4,379 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 88, CSC Sakre 269, CSC Pannam 211, CSC Valpai 153, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 218, USC Panji 243, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 118, PSC Petki 134, PSC Kandolim 86, PSC Kansarvarnam 55, PSC Korwai 146, PSC Kolem 145, PSC Chimpel 155, PSC Shiolim 127, PSC Porvorim 275, PSC Mayam 83, Travelers by Road Flight Train 12. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchore 130, CSC Kankana 117, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 446, USC Vasco 271, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 104, PSC Kansaulim 112, PSC Chinchanem 40, PSC Kortalim 118, PSC Kurtorim 83, PSC Lutolim 88, PSC Marsam 46, PSC Kapam 114, PSC Sangam 60, PSC Shiroda 90, PSC Darbandara 79, PSC Ponda 378, PSC Navelim 102. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 4th September 2020 are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 158. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 246. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.